Good morning, good morning. What a scorch of a day it is today.
Yeah, it's quite warm today.
Bacon.
Bacon is the word. It's one of those days where you don't really feel like doing anything. It's Friday morning, it's about 10:30, and we're going to get going with fitting out the OSB sheathing on the actual framework now. We had a comment saying perhaps it's a bit over-engineered, and I think I've mentioned a couple of times it probably is over-engineered, but I'd rather have it over-engineered than drive down the motorway and all of a sudden we've got a cabriolet. We had a comment last time from a gentleman who's done it for 26 years, and I'd be quite happy if he came down and gave me a lift with doing the laminating of the fibreglass. Yeah, I did reply and ask him. So if you're watching and you do want to come and give us a lift to do the laminating, please come on down and give me an hand. I don't mind. I don't mind at all.
Just a few pointers.
Yeah,
you even have to work up a sweat.
Right, we'll crack on then.
Definitely. Let's get cracking.
You've just watched me rip a piece down to 600 mil, which will give me enough to scribe in. So I'll work out what the shortest distance is, and I'll make a scribe to that, and then I'll scribe it in along the line of the van and down into the corner down there.
You've been hoovering and doing your jobs?
Yes.
Good.
Do all of it.
Should we go and see what Dad's doing? I don't know what he's doing up there. Let's have a look. What are you doing now?
Scribing this line in. Drop this down. Get the line and an edge on there. So I'm going to come across there, bring that up to there, and cut that in there, and that corner side done, and I can glue all that up. I've had to put my fancy dress cowboy hat on to stop my neck from burning, so I can't find my straw hat. Anyway, it's right. I've just given everything a good clean. I'll move out of the way. I'm just given all the top a good clean. I've brushed all the dust off. I'm going to get some pink grip on the struts now, and then some Puriflex along the bottom to create yet another seal. So that's the job. I'll have to leave you over here, Shazza, to nip out. So. Same again on this side now. Sun's over my shoulder, so it's very bright, but scribe out, cut the piece out, mark out, job's a good one.
Get Daddy's coffee behind this next door. I got it. Stop Build a Van. Means making my pizza. Daddy can have salad and Mummy not having salad. Daddy can have tea like Maximus and Mummy not having a tea.
All sealed in now, screwed up nice and tight. Obviously quite a few screws across the front. Overkill again, but especially with all that glue as well. I mean, by the time there's a shell on there, it's not going to move. I don't know whether sitting down's a good idea really. Anyway, I've got my deck chair out. Got my ham salad. these corners round. I've left the screws set back a bit and the glue's gone off a bit now. So I'll run the router down here and onto there. Maximus wanted to come and swim. It's Saturday, so we're swimming today. Shell's just sat there watching. Maximus over there. And I'm just sat editing the video you're going to be watching now. So
Granny blanket on.
With my granny blanket on because I keep getting bitten. I have to put the towel over my legs. Honestly, I don't know what it is this year. I don't normally get bitten, do I? And I'm just getting eaten every day this year.
Let me show them from my angle.
You're doing that magic where you point the camera at you there.
Am I?
Yeah.
No, I'm pointing it at you.
You're not, you're pointing the camera at you.
I'm not.
You are the lens is facing you, you donut.
Oh.
I may look like a fool, but... Oh gosh, don't hit me. Oh, no. You don't let me point the camera. Anyway, we didn't sign out last night because Shell went upstairs and had a shower.
I did.
Even though I said just hang on and we'll sign out and say goodbye and thanks for watching. So yeah, here we are on the riverbank on a beautiful Saturday, 30 odd degrees in the UK.
Yes.
Back at Yarra Valley. Maximus in the water over there. Freya in the water over there. And yeah.
The whole place to ourselves.
Yeah, it's lovely here, isn't it? We always have the whole place to ourselves. Yeah. Anyway, we shall say thanks very much for watching.
Thank you, everybody.
So, if you're watching and you've not subscribed and you like what you're watching, go on, give us a like and press that subscribe button, and you'll make our day. Instagram, yeah, follow us on Instagram as well. Shell updates on Instagram. And thanks very much.
Thanks, bye.
Have a good week. We'll see you next time. Take care.
Bye.
You shouting bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everybody.